This video was made possible by Farmers Market Singapore, an online butcher that is well known for high-quality meat products that are traceable, sustainable, and affordable. You may visit farmersmarket.com.sg and enter Foodie Mama PH in a discount box on checkout and get 15% off your first order. What's up you guys, Khee here and welcome to the second episode of our third series with Farmers Market Singapore. We started off with some Chinese barbecue pork char siu on the first episode. I'll put the link in the description box below. That was amazing. And today we're going to be making a dish called Singapore Noodles, which doesn't even exist in Singapore. I believe it was invented in Hong Kong by a chef there. It has been popularized in America and Australia, and that's what we're going to try to do today. Very simple, easy, and really quick Singapore noodles. Let's go. We're going to be using about a kilo of black tiger prawns, which are already peeled and deveined with tail on from Farmers Market Singapore. This type of dish is something you can cook for your family and friends. You can basically throw in whatever protein or vegetables you have in your fridge, just as long as you have vermicelli noodles, or also called rice noodles. First step is to fry an omelette. We're using around 4 eggs. Beat the eggs and cook for around 1 to 2 minutes on high heat and then set aside. Next, saute about 6 cloves of minced garlic and a mix of red and white diced onions until brown and aromatic. Add in the prawns and fry quickly until each side is orange in color. Throw in the carrots, red bell peppers, and snap peas, and then add a splash of Shaoxing wine, or also known as Chinese cooking wine. Mix and add the vermicelli, which has already been soaked in hot water for around 2 to 3 minutes. Season it with Japanese soy sauce and ketchup manis or sweet soy, and now's the time to sprinkle the curry powder. This is what makes this dish unique and a little bit yellow in color. Make sure that every strand of noodle is coated with it. Throw in the omelette we cooked earlier that has been cut in chunks, and finish it off with a splash of sesame oil. Do the final mixing, and this is my version of Singapore noodles.